Good day. I hope you're having a wonderful time. I know if you're watching this in class, I must be in Colorado today. So, hope everything's going well. Please pay attention because this is going to be on your test. Inequalities. And what are inequalities? Well, those are problems where they're not balanced. One side is larger than the other, or you can say one side is smaller than the other. But the first thing we're going to talk about is these single variable inequalities. You can see the little guys up there, up and down. Not quite equal. All right, so here we go. And there's something we should know about this. When you blank or blank, both sides of an inequality by the same blank value, you must switch the inequality symbol. We're going to learn this today. We're going to tie into, but for right now, you can fill in the answers, so nobody always curious. When you multiply or divide both sides by the inequality by the same negative value, you must switch the inequality symbol. And we'll discuss that a little bit. But first off, let's review one problem, and then we'll come to this statement up here. Well, let's look right here. Here we have a plus negative 2 is less than 6. Well, the way I look at it is I could rewrite that as y minus 2. Or how do I get rid of a negative 2? I just simply what? Add 2. And if I do it to one side, I must do it to the other so that we don't change the values, or that way we're not teeter-tottering back and forth up there. All right? So anyway, as we do that, so here we go. And we add 2 to each side. Those are going to cancel out. So I have y is less than 8. Now how do I graph that? Well, I need a number line with a 0. 8 would be where? To the right. And my question is, I call it an open or closed dot. There is no bar, so I'm going to put an open circle right there on the 8. And which way would that point? Well, y has to be smaller than 8. Where would the values be smaller than 8? It would be this way, Coach Tony. So I'm going to graph it that way. There would be our solution to number 1. Right? When y plus the negative 2 is less than 6, basically means y is less than 8.